When people think about cryptocurrencies, they often have the image of money in their mind, like the euro or USD. But is that true? Well, in this video, we are going to answer this question. What is a cryptocurrency, and how should you really perceive it? After the financial collapse in 2008, many people and investors lost their trust in banks, prompting them to search for new ways to invest their money. That's when cryptocurrency was born, with Bitcoin being the first one. Even though there are better cryptocurrencies on the market, newer, updated versions of the original Bitcoin, it still remains in the top spot as the father figure of all cryptocurrencies. From the creation of Bitcoin in 2009 by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto to today, there have been over 22,000 different cryptocurrencies created. It's important to understand that they can also be quite different from one another. A few good examples of this would be Ethereum, which is not just a cryptocurrency, but a blockchain platform that allows developers to build applications and smart contracts on top of it. PancakeSwap, which is a decentralized exchange, or Decentraland, which is built on the Ethereum blockchain, but is in itself a virtual world. In our last video, we explained the top 50 cryptocurrencies using easy-to-understand analogies, and I invite you to watch that as well. Every time you purchase a cryptocurrency, you are making an investment in a so-called digital asset. Be aware that they can be very volatile. While there are examples of people investing $100 and making millions, there are also cases of individuals investing millions and losing almost everything overnight due to the collapse of a specific cryptocurrency's price. So please only invest what you can afford to lose. As we progress in exploring the world of cryptocurrency, I will provide further explanations and guidance to help you better understand this complex and ever-evolving domain. But for this video, the most crucial takeaway is to perceive all cryptocurrencies as digital assets, as they have more in common with gold or silver than with the euro or USD. In our next video, we will explain what a blockchain is in very simple terms so that you are always a step further in understanding this technology. And as always, I thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in our next video.